First of all, introduce myself. Myself is Dr. Shanmugam, Associate Professor, Department of Science and Humanities, Sri Sannada College of Engineering and Technology, Athens. So this topic is previous topic was continuity, logical puzzles and reasoning. So the next is seating arrangement. The topics is teaching arrangements. We have two types. One is circular and another is linear. So linear versus circular. Seating arrangement problems involve arranging a group of people, recording a given condition such as a position, direction, and relative replacement. Types is linear and circular. So straight line is the row is a linear. So circular disk is the circular seating arrangements. So examples during exams come. So there the example for seating arrangements. So logical puzzles, problems that required reasoning, attitudes, and prediction to find the correct arrangement or relationship among different elements. Position, relationship, preference, and assignments. We'll see the next slide. It will be the problems. So problems, so listen here, 6 persons, A, B, C, D, E, and F are the sitting row facing north. So this one is a straight line. So condition. So condition is important. So A sits the immediate left of B. C sits extreme right end. D sits between A and E. So F sits the extreme left end. So these are the conditions. First we need to see that solution. Positions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why in the sense A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6 is like that. So F must be position 1. C must be position 6. First two cases we identified. Why in the sense? C, F sits extreme left end. So either 6. F must be position 1. C must be position 6. C sits the extreme right end. So we know that right and left end. So first fix that A and C. Next, now A sits immediate left of B. Immediate left of B. So that's why put B left of A. So 3 done. So rest of the pairs is only 2. Possible pair is AB. Already the pair is AB. D sits A and E. So A and E. Next is A and D in the D. So now the final is answer is A, E, D, A, B, C. So these are the final one. So this is the problem number 1. We'll see the next problem number 2. How to think about that. 5 students P, Q, R, S, T are they sitting in a row. So the conditions, Q sits between P and R. Notice this. S sits at one end. T sits next to R. Now solution. First thing, S sits at one end. S sits B position. 1 may be or may not be 5. 1 to 5. Assumes first one. First one is the answer is here. So now Q sits between P and R. Q sits between P and R. So now the possible arrangement is PQR. PQR. Next only one element. So that is the R. The answer is SPQRT. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the answer. So problem number 3. The same thing like that. Small problems. 4 persons A, B, C, D sitting around a table facing the center. So this one is the circular arrangement. Conditions. A sits opposite B. Wherever A is there, opposite is B. C sits to the immediate right of A. Now the solution. Place A first. A right side C. A right side C. So that is the opponent. B sits opposite A. So remaining seat is B. So clockwise A, B, sorry, A, C, B, D. A right side is C. So that is the right side. Next is opponent B. Only one element is there, so that is the term. So answer is A, C, B, D. So problem number 4. 3 friends A, B and C have different professions. Doctor, engineer, teacher. So some conditions are given already. A is not the doctor, B is not the engineer, The teacher is C. So first we know the answer is teacher is equal to C. Remaining profession, A is not the doctor. Now remaining what is there? A is the engineer. Next, B is not the engineer and only one option, doctor. So the answer is A engineer, A is not a doctor. So that is the meaning of A is a engineer, B is a doctor, and C is a teacher. So this is the answer. Now A is the what is that? Engineer, B is the doctor. So problem number 5. See here, 6 persons. So the last problem, A, B, C, D, and F around the circular table facing the center. So we are already some conditions are given. A sits opposite D. So A sits opposite D. B sits between A and C. E sits immediate right of D. F sits opposite C. So these are the conditions. First you learn the condition. Solution. Place A opposite D. First one is place A opposite D. So now you think about place A is 1. Opposite is the D. Okay, D. So next is step 2. E sits right of D. So this condition also we need. So E sits right of D. So next E nearby E. D nearby E. B sits A and C. So B sits A and C. A we need. C we need. In between is the B. So step 4 is F opposite C. So F is the last clockwise. So only one element is there, the C. So the final answer is A, B, C, E, D, F. So this is the puzzle game relatable the game topics. So thank you for everyone giving the opportunity for our institution. Thank you.